Hey everyone, Nakul here from Skills PT Academic. I really hope you guys are doing well. Well, I'm back with day 21 of the video series Learn PT Fill in the Blanks with Nakul. Today I'm back with drag and drop fill in the blanks, little tricky one, but let's see if we can get fire to fire. So before we begin, if you're looking for an online course for PT, NATI or IELTS, any point of time you can send us a mail or WhatsApp us to the information given on the screen to avail our services. And not to forget, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe and click on the bell icon in order not to miss any of the live updates. So without wasting any time, let's quickly start with day 21 of the video series. Here you go. Well, I really hope you guys have solved it. This is a little tricky one. Why? See there, for example, for the very first one, let's say you use the word embedded. It is embedded, can be embedded. See, what I'm telling you is one word can fit into different blanks. So the only method that helps you is bottom up approach. Otherwise, this very mind I'm telling you can create a bigger problem. I'll just show you what may go wrong here. University engineers at some university have developed an embedded patch. First of all, embedded will not go, but let's say you went with embedded. A lot of people think embedded is done and dusted. I'm so damn right. And they don't even think of using the word embedded for the rest of the blanks. But there could be a possibility that you can be 100% wrong and embedded can fit somewhere here. Who knows? So the only approach that helps you is bottom up. And if you're not sure about an option, just leave it empty. Listen to me, this will work. All right. So university engineers at some university have developed is there. So an embedded has to come, a embedded cannot come as per the article's rule. So embedded is wrong here. Have developed dash patch, preferable patch, spacious patch, ambient patch, variable patch, powered patch. All are adjective. Any word can fit in. So if you are not confident of it, leave it empty. But you have to start looking for clues. There will be a clue through which you can 100% be confident and say, okay, this is the answer. That clue you have to find. So we will see how to find that. Developed some patch that could provide cooling and heating at home, comma, at work, comma, or home, work, football ground, Domino's, Pizza Hut, or wherever you want. Because getting it, there are some collocations when you know it in advance. Because can you tell us all the collocations? There are nothing like that. 500 collocations you learn, you will get 98. It's all bullshit, I'm telling you. Those things will not work. Okay, you start reading novels, there are 10,000s, millions of collocations. You read a novel, you will come across, or you will read an article, you will come across all this. All right. So hitting at home, at work, or wherever you want, on the go. On the go is a collocation. Whenever you want. Hope you're getting it. So on the go is the second one. The soft, stretchy patch cools or warms a user's skin to comfortable temperature and keeps it there as the dash temperature changes. Few words you need to know as what they're talking about is you are in this place. Okay, this is my office room. So I'm in this place. What is the temperature of this? You can say the ambient temperature, the temperature related to this, related to some specific reference. That's called ambient temperature. Getting it? So ambient temperature, and you would have heard this word probably in movies or anywhere else. So whatever the temperature you choose, it keeps it there as the ambient temperature changes. It is dash by, read it ahead. The answer for this lies in the next line. I repeat, the answer for the fourth one lies in the next line. It is dash by a flexible battery pack. It is powered by. It is powered by. You can, I mean, you would have heard this in the motorbike reviews or the car reviews. If you haven't, go check out any car review. You would have heard this word. It is powered by this engine. Correct. It is powered by battery pack, stretchable battery pack. Powered is the answer, and can be dash in clothing and can be variable in clothing. Clothing itself is varying something, and can be hidden in clothing, can be placed in clothing, can be embedded in clothing. Read the next line, please. Read the next line. Researchers say wearing it, a wearable patch, done and dusted. The answer for the first one lies in the last line. So what helps you? Your English? No, your patience. Hope you're getting it. Only your patience will help you get 5 out of 5. Otherwise, people end up writing embedded patch can be variable in clothing. Do comment if you have interchanged 1 and 5. I repeat, do comment if you have interchanged 1 and 5. This could be a plausible case of being impatient. That's it. Nothing else. Your English is all good. It's just that you're not patient. You went with embedded patch here and decided, okay, embedded is done and dusted. So without having any option, you went with variable for the last one. All right. So the answers are variable patch, on the go. It is, sorry, as the ambient temperature changes, powered by, embedded in cloth. Do comment in the comment section about the marks you've obtained. If you have any doubts, do comment. We're going to come back into the needful. So I'm going to park it here. So tomorrow, day 22, I'm going to come back with a drop down, fill the blanks. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.